Hello, today we are looking at 9 best freelance marketplace themes. All these themes mentioned are picked by experts based on the rating, high number of sales, and awesome features. Number 9. Callias. You will always get an innovative and creative website with Callias since it combines flexibility, resourcefulness, and professionalism in one well-rounded package. With Callias, you will always get a well-rounded website with a few aspects contributing to its success. Aside from serving as a great salesman, this theme can also be used for all types of commercial operations thanks to the comprehensive set of online store templates. Number 8. Front. There is no doubt that the front theme is fantastic, but it also features a highly coded responsive layout as well as exceptionally well-designed graphics. It is a great starting point for creative businesses. It was designed mobile-first to ensure that the front looks stunning on mobile devices and desktops. Number 7. Violetta. With the Violetta theme, you can create a creative agency website with the Bootstrap framework. It is compatible with all modern browsers, mobile devices, and all themes for creative agency websites. The template is ideal not only for photography blogs and websites but also for stock photo sites, digital download agencies' resumes, CVs, and personal portfolios. Number 6. WorkScout. WorkScout is a powerful tool that lets you build a professional website in just a few minutes. You can also offer the website to recruiters, job agencies, and other types of job offices so they can access it as well. Recruiters, employment agencies, and all other types of job offices can easily use it because it is a complete WordPress solution. So it is easily used for recruiting employment agencies and any other type of job office. Number 5. Colorfolio. Because Colorfolio multipurpose theme is robust and suitable for a wide range of tasks, you can easily build freelancer websites or CVs with it. With the user-friendly theme options panel and setup wizard, you can create professional and impressive websites without deepening the theme settings. Photographers will love this theme because it includes a modern online resume design that showcases your skills and boosts client counts. Number 4. Findall. Welcome to the new and improved Findall theme for business encyclopedias and services listing websites. The theme is fully equipped with all the essentials a modern business encyclopedia website could ever desire in its quest to succeed. The Findall theme allows you to manage your directory along with advanced search filters and listing lists. Number 3. WorkReap. The WorkReap theme is a great choice since it has great features and excellent code quality, making it a great choice for freelancer marketplaces. The theme has been developed and designed following extensive research to meet the needs of individuals who wish to establish freelance marketplaces and similar projects. Number 2. Exercio. The Exercio theme will allow you to develop and launch a freelancer services marketplace tailored to your business needs. The theme can be customized and launched based on your services. Setting up freelancer and employer accounts within minutes with the Exercio theme is easy. Number 1. Prolancer. With Prolancer, you can build freelance marketplaces on WordPress and let your website demonstrate all the powerful features you need. It is designed and developed with the requirements of people interested in building freelance marketplaces, such as Fiverr, Upwork, and in mind. Finally, thanks for watching this collection of the best WordPress themes. If you have any experience with these themes, leave me a comment below, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you all in the next video, guys. Take care.